In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord Soundboard not showing up in server. If the Soundboard button is missing when you're in a voice channel, the most common reason is that your role doesn't have permission to use it. The good news is, this is a quick fix, provided you have permission to edit server permissions. If you don't, you'll need someone with the right access to make the change for you. Start by opening Discord and making sure you're in the correct server. At the very top left, you'll see the server name. Click that server name to open the server menu. This brings up a list of options that control how the server is managed. From that menu, choose Server Settings. This is where all the key controls live, including member roles and what those roles are allowed to do. Inside Server Settings, go to Roles. Roles determine what each group of members can and can't do, so this is the place to adjust Soundboard access. Find the role you want to edit and click the pencil icon next to it. That opens the role's detailed settings. If you're not sure which role to update, think about the group of people who need Soundboard access. You can always come back and adjust a different role later if needed. Just keep in mind that changes you make will apply to everyone who has that role. Inside the role settings, switch to the Permissions tab. This tab lists everything that role can do in the server. To make this easier, use the search bar at the top of the permissions list and type Soundboard. That will filter the list and take you straight to the Soundboard permission. When you see it, enable the permission so members with this role are allowed to use the Soundboard feature in voice channels. After you enable it, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to confirm. If you forget to save, the permission won't stick, and the Soundboard will still be missing. That's it. Once the permission is enabled and saved, the Soundboard should appear for anyone with that role the next time they join a voice channel in this server. If it still doesn't show up, double check that you edited the correct role and that the member actually has that role assigned. With the right permission in place, the Soundboard will be available as expected. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your server's Soundboard back up and running.